Hello everyone, Kowalski here. It's good to have you. And now we're going to attempt to answer challenge 2 of the Elastic CTF version 3 2025. Now, challenge number 2 says that yes, we have identified a suspicious child process spawned from Microsoft's Office, an important early step. Now it's time to trace the activity back to its true origin, the Office document that initiated it. This step is essential in determining whether the threat was isolated or if similar documents have been delivered to other systems. Now, the problem here is to find the name of the Excel file that spawned certutil.exe. So we are in the hunt for a file, an Excel workbook that might have started this process called certutil.exe. So we go back to our Elastic workspace, make sure that we are in the Excel extortion space. Now in here, let's create enough real estate, zoom in so that it is legible. Now the alert of interest is this, of course, an alert indicating a suspicious Microsoft Office child process. Now we're going to use an action tool called the analyze event. This will give us a graphical view to analyze an alert and get more insights of the problem. Now we see that this event was terminated even though it was started, that is a setutil.exe, which is an executable native Windows process which is used to interact with web applications, whether to retrieve or to send information in the command line, either using PowerShell or command prompt. Now, when we look here, we go into the tables where we can filter by field. That is what we see here by the host name. Those are called ECS, Elastic Common Schema. Now, the field of interest to us is try to find anything related to a file. Now, when we scroll in here, we see that there are some parent processes that had interaction with Excel, the executable. Now, what we are most interested in is to find which Excel workbook, that is an Excel file, any file that ends in a .xls that might have initiated or had interaction with Excel application, which spawned this process of interest called setutil.exe. And we can see that there was a particular randomly generated file which exists in a folder called 87388578081, which is on the desktop of a user called administrator. So we can bet that this is the particular Excel file which basically started or initiated the process called setutil.exe. So what we do is copy this file and submit as the flag to our challenge. And when that is true, we should get an indication that that is correct. So thank you guys for following along. It has been fun for me so far, and I hope it is for you too, and also giving you insight of using elastic security to understand or find information or solve a puzzle, if you may, find information, analyze, and hunt for threats in our logs. So thank you guys for hanging around, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.